Let's answer this solid-state chemistry problem from ACS-NCO. A mineral containing only copper and oxygen adopts the cubic unit cell shown below. What is the formula of this mineral? So the system belongs to the cubic crystal system, and we will deduce the chemical formula of the solid by counting the number of atoms based on their positions in the unit cell. In a crystal structure, unit cells repeat in all directions. This means atoms sitting on boundaries are shared between neighboring cells. So an atom completely inside the body belongs to that cell entirely with contribution equal to 1. But if an atom is shared on a face, it's split between two cells and contribution is 1 half. On an edge, it's shared by four cells, contributing 1/4 of an atom, and if it is on the corner, it's shared by eight cells, contributing 1/8 of an atom to each cell. So this is the summary of the lattice points and the contribution per cell. Now, given the unit cell, white circles represent our oxygen atoms. There is one oxygen atom completely inside the body, which contributes a one full atom. Also, we have one sitting on each of the eight corners of the cube. Since each corner contributes 1/8, we multiply 8 by 1/8 to get one oxygen atom. So in total, we have two oxygen atoms per unit cell. For copper atoms, represented by black circles, if you look closely at their positions, all four of these copper atoms are placed inside the body of the cube. That means they contribute fully and we have a total of four copper atoms inside the unit cell. And putting that together, our initial ratio is Cu4O2. And by getting the simplest whole number ratio of elements in this compound, we divide it by 2 and Cu4O2 will now become Cu2O. Therefore, the answer is letter A.